Good morning students. In the previous video I have told you when reported speech is in interrogative sentence with the help of any helping verb, how that direct speech will be changed into indirect speech. Now in this video I will tell you when reported speech is in interrogative sentence with any question word. Question word means WH, what, where, how, when, why. Then how you will change that interrogative sentence into indirect speech. So first said will be changed into asked or inquired. In the place of inverted comma, same question word will be written. That will be used in the reported speech, and remaining part of reported speech will be changed into assertive sentence according to tense chart. Only difference is that in the when reported speech will start with any question word, then in the place of inverted comma if or whether will not be used. In the place of inverted comma, same question word will be used that was used in the reported speech. Now through the example it will be clear. The teacher said to Ravi, comma, inverted comma, what is your name? Now in this sentence we can notice reported speech is in interrogative sentence with the help of question word. Here question word is what. So now according to rule, said will be changed into asked. The teacher asked. To will be removed. Asked Ravi. Now in the place of inverted comma, question word will be what. Now remaining part is your name. This part is left, and this part will be changed according to tense chart in assertive sentence. The rule of assertive sentence is first subject, then helping verb, then object. So here subject of the sentence is your name. So your is second person possessive. Second person will be changed according to object of reporting verb. Object of reporting verb is here Ravi. Ravi means he. Ravi is the name of boy, so pronoun will be he. So he is subject, your is possessive. So possessive of he is his. So teacher asked Ravi what his name. His name is the subject, and then helping verb. Helping verb is here is. Tense of reporting verb is in past tense, so tense of reported speech also will be in past tense. So past of is will be was. So its indirect speech will be the teacher asked Ravi what his name was. Now another example. The father said, why have you done it? The father said, why have you done it? Reported speech is in interrogative sentence with the help of question word. Question word is here why. And in reporting verb we can notice there is no object. But I have already told you that if reported speech is in interrogative sentence, then said will be changed into asked or inquired, whether it has any object or not. So the father asked, in the place of inverted comma question word is here why. This question word turned into conjunction. The father asked why. Now the left part is have you done it, and we will change this sentence into assertive sentence according to tense chart. Reporting verb is in past tense, then tense of reported as speech also will be in past tense, and reporting verb is in present perfect tense, it will be changed into past perfect tense. The rule of past perfect tense is subject and helping verb had, then verb third form, then object. So subject is here you is second person pronoun, it will be changed according to object of reporting verb. Here we can notice object is not given. When second person is given in reported speech and in reporting verb object is not given, so we can imagine object. We can imagine me or him. There is no need to write, we can imagine in mind. It depends upon you. You are going to imagine first person me or third person him. So if we will imagine here me, so you is subject, then subject of me will be I. And after that helping verb is here have, past of have will be had. Then third form of verb done it. Indirect speech, the father asked why I had done it. If I had imagined him in the place of me, so here would have been sentence, the father asked why he had done it. Both sentences are correct. It depends upon you. You are going to imagine me, then in the place of you there will be I. If you will imagine him, then in the place of you there will be he. One more example. Kareem said to his friend, why have you insulted me? Question mark inverted comma. Kareem said to his friend, why have you insulted me? Now indirect speech, Kareem said will be changed into asked, to will be removed, only his friend. In the place of inverted comma, question word will be written why. Now here this why turned into conjunction. It is not question word. Now in indirect speech why is conjunction. It is connecting the sentence. And now left part is have you insulted me. So first subject you will write, because tense of reported speech will be in past perfect according to tense chart. So in assertive sentence rule is first you will write subject. Subject of reported speech is you. You is second person, it will be changed according to friend. Then friend may be he or she both. So it depends upon you what you are going to write, but here I will write he. Then helping verb have, the past of have will be had. Why I am changing have into had? Because tense of reporting verb is in past tense, so tense of reported speech will be also in past. So why he had insulted me. Me is first person, object. First person will be changed according to subject of reporting verb, and subject is here Kareem. Kareem means he. Kareem is the name of boy, so pronoun will be he. But me is here object, so object of he will be him. Kareem asked his friend why he had insulted him. This is the rule of the direct speech and indirect speech. When reported speech will be in interrogative sentence with any question word, then you will apply this rule and you will change that sentence into indirect speech. Now in next video I will discuss the exercise of both the sentences that will start with any helping word, the sentences that will start with any question word. I will discuss the exercise of both interrogative sentences.